Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with FaceIT anti-cheat while installing. You got an error, installation has failed. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, right click on taskbar and choose the option Task Manager. Click on the Details tab and in the search box, you need to type in FaceIT. Right over here, you will find the FaceIT service. You need to right click and choose the option End Task. Make sure you close all the anti-cheat services right from the Details tab. After closing, try to reinstall and this issue will be completely fixed. If this failed to work out, in second step, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type here percentage, local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Now in this address bar, click on app data. Now first of all open local folder and press the F key to find FaceIT folder. Right click and delete. Again click on app data folder and this time open local row. Again if FaceIT is present, delete it. Lastly roaming folder. Again press the F key. Again if FaceIT is available, right click and delete. Once it is deleted, close it. Now you need to open up your web browser and download the FaceIT client right into your system. Like I have already downloaded. Now you need to launch the client to install it. Now during the installation, accept the terms and conditions and then check mark both the options. After doing so, hit the next button and FaceIT will be surely installed in your system and the issue of FaceIT anti-cheat installation has failed will be fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.